Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use the Financial Plan Resource Assignments Integrator. I'll go through how to download existing resource assignments that are against financial project plan tasks, and also go through how to create, update, and delete resource assignments. In the Oracle Cloud, this is how you would typically create resource assignments on a financial project plan task. I'll now show you how to use the Financial Plan Resource Assignments Integrator to do what I've just done in Oracle Cloud and much, much more. Once you're logged into the integrator, click on the button Templates and click on Create New Sheet. Select the module Projects, select the integrator Financial Plan Resource Assignments and click Select. You should now see a new sheet open up for resource assignments. Let's download an existing project to review the existing resource assignments. You can either download via sheet or via form. In our example, we're going to download via sheet. There are already resource assignments against some of the tasks. When you create a new project from a template, tasks and resource assignments from that template are automatically copied to the new project. Therefore, we recommend that you always download the existing resource assignments first to review. Once they are downloaded, you can create more resource assignments or update and delete existing ones. For our first example, let's create a few more resource assignments against tasks that do not currently have any. I go to my Financial Projects Integrator, where I have already downloaded a list of tasks belonging to the project. I want to put new resource assignments against these tasks. I'm going to copy them and put them here. Put the upload action of create for the new lines that I like to create. I can also create multiple resource assignments against a single task. To do this, I'm going to add a few more rows under task 901. This means that I want to create multiple resource assignments against task 900.1. So now that I've got my resources against the tasks, I now need to add the planning amounts for the resources. Add the upload action of create for planning amounts upload action. The currency that you need to use here must be the default currency set up against your project. For the resources with a unit of measure of hours, you must enter the planned quantity. For resources that have a unit of measure of currency, you must enter the raw cost. The other columns on the sheet are optional. You don't need to enter the burden cost, raw cost, or burden cost rate if you do not want to. Optionally, you can also enter PlanLines DFF against the planning resources. Instead of entering data directly into the form, you can also use the data forms if you want to. Data forms are useful if you do not know the resource name off the top of your head to enter against a task. Now we are ready to upload our new resource assignments to Oracle. As you can see, all the lines were uploaded successfully to Oracle. You'll notice that planning amounts validation status remained validated instead of having the status accepted. This is because planning amounts is a child level section of the resource assignment section. And so when the resource assignments are accepted into Oracle, that means its child level is 2. You do not have to enter in planning start and end dates of the resource assignments if you have set up your project to use task dates. You are also unable to update planning start and end dates if you have set up your project to use task dates. Let's download our project on the sheet again to review the uploaded results. As you can see, the resource assignments that we've entered against the new tasks have been successfully uploaded to Oracle. Now let's update the existing resource assignments. Since this project uses task dates as planning start and end date for the resource assignments, we cannot update the planning start and end dates. However, we can update the planning amounts against the resource assignments. As you can see, for task 900.5, there is no planning amount line against it. I must have uploaded a resource assignment without a planning amount line. That's okay, because a planning amount line with the currency of USD is automatically created against the resource assignment. Therefore, we can update that line accordingly. We can also go and add the planning lines DFF details, and we can use the data form to do this. For the descriptive flex fields, you can search for the existing context in your system. And if your attributes are set up as a list of values, they will be displayed here. But for my example, these attributes are free text. Once you're happy with the updates, you can click on Upload and Upload Selected. The update is successfully uploaded to Oracle. Let's now download the project back to the sheet to review. The updates that we have previously made to the tasks have been successfully uploaded to Oracle along with the descriptive flex field that I've entered for this resource assignment. And that is how we do updates. Let's now go through how we delete the existing resource assignments. To simply delete resource assignments, enter in delete as an upload action for the resource assignments. As you can see, the identified records that are marked for delete have been successfully deleted from Oracle. Let's download the project again to our sheet to review the results. So we deleted task 2.1 and up to 6.2, contract services. And we can no longer see those tasks and resource assignments under this project. So there you are. We have gone through how to create, update, and delete resource assignments on the project plan task. Thank you for watching.